Okay, so I finally found out how to install the Llama2 as a chatbot for my local Windows 10 computer. I do have a GPU, so that's a disclosure. You need a GPU to run this model. Okay, so I will walk you through what I did. Okay, first we are going to go to the GitHub page here. I'm going to copy this one. Forward buttons so we can save. So this is going to be the GitHub page that we need to go to. We can see it. So that's the keyword we need to search for. All right, and so then what we need to do, we need to download. On this website. Let's see from this website that we have isolation packages, and I'm on Windows PC, so this is the one that I download. Yeah. So click on download. Now Control J, find your download stores. Down in my folders. So that's the file that I just downloaded, and I can unzip it. Yeah. So I'm just going to unzip that. And then I go to my folder. Get into my folder. I'm going to run start Windows BAT. And I run that. It may take about 5 minutes, and you have that downloaded, and you have that all the package you need installed. So by the time that is install everything, now we need to go download the Llama2 model / parameters. That is going to be where we're going to download those models, and those models are already compiled by TheBloke, so we don't have to worry about that and get all the permission that all the other things that we need. And this one here as well. Download. Oops. And in particular, you want to download the GG and models and make sure that I've spelled that right. We need to download those GGML models. This is a special models. Make sure that you have the GGML in the file name somewhere. Okay, let's keep going. I downloaded the 13 billion parameter one, so this is the one. Let's see which one that I did download. Yeah, this is the one I downloaded. I'm not 100% sure what's the different GGML and GPT-J, but I download this one anyway. I just want to see that there are so many options here, so you definitely can find one that fits you. Okay. All right. So once I download that, okay, I will open that. This is going to be the. It's already unzipped. So get into this folder, then you see text generation folder. Let's see, there's another folder called models. Okay. So I downloaded this model. Which one was that? 13B. So that 13B is what I downloaded. Okay. And the 13B actually runs pretty well on my GPU. I get 12 gigabyte VRAM. It seems like it's just fairly up, pretty quickly. Okay. All right, so now once we have all of that, okay, and go back and start that. Back to folder, see the start windows. So I will click on start windows again. I should have all the package installed already, so not take a lot of them. Make sure that I cover those windows as well. So to show you that we can now run the local chatbot here. I'm going to copy this one. So it's going to be the link. Go back to that browser. Turn it up. And this is gonna be, we're gonna need to pick up the model here. Model. And we need to find out that's which model that we want. Down here, 13B is the one that I want. Okay. So to pick the 13B, let's see from here, the setting is updated. So we need to load it. Click on load. So it's loaded. After loaded, then you can go to text generation. That's pretty much that, you can as with the chatbot, for example, can ask something. Is a fight between Elon Musk and that. Now it's will turn out to be. Zach, I'm talking about Zach. Okay. In any case, now you see that it's not everyone's pretty smooth, right? Okay, so that will be the end of this review. See you later.